Hey there, and welcome back to another episode on the At Home Dive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen making a classic, delicious favorite. Today we're going to be making Pico de Gallo. It's going to be a short video, but make sure you click in the top right corner. Right now I'm going to go ahead and put a link to a playlist for all of your favorite snack time items that we have because Super Bowl is coming up, so you need to be prepared. Sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Today on the counter we have a really simple list of ingredients. We're going to start with one medium-sized tomato here. We have 1/3 of a bunch of cilantro, 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 small onion. We're looking to get about 1 cup of tomato, maybe a little over out of here, and about half a cup of onion out of this. So to get started today, we're just going to get all these things out of the way. And we're going to start by dicing our tomato. Now that our tomato is diced, we're going to go ahead and dice our onion. It's important that we keep these things diced as small as possible. That way all the flavors can come together fast. We're just going to give this a gentle stir so that the acid from the tomato can start breaking down the onion. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And now it's time to do the jalapeno. Just going to place the jalapeno right on top, and then we're going to mix it in again. Go ahead and set that aside. We're going to add the salt. We're going to press our lime and roll it to squeeze and break it up. So if you see now, it's actually kind of soft. And we're only going to use half this lime, I believe. You can always taste it and see if you'd like to add more lime to it. But we're just squeezing the lime right over the rest, and I'm just rolling it around to make sure we work as much of the juice out of it as possible. Extra acid from the lime is going to freshen it up, and it's also going to help break down that onion and jalapeno to get rid of the sharpness that's going to naturally occur. So once we've done all this, we are going to set everything totally aside and wipe our cutting board across, and we're going to take the cilantro and we're just going to take and pull all of the leaves off of the stems here. This takes a little while, but it's super easy to do, and it's important that you get rid of all the stems. Now that we have all of our cilantro leaves separated out, what I like to do is I like to just kind of wad mine together and get it nice and tight, and then run through it with a knife, chopping really finely. Once I've done that, I'll turn a lot of times and work my knife really finely the other way back through the cilantro. And that's as much as we really want to do. We don't want to beat the cilantro up too much. We want to keep it nice and fresh. And then we'll just scoop it up and put it right into the pico. And now I'm just going to take and turn it into itself one last time. And there we have it, friends. Pico. As you can see, it's got the nice vibrant colors and texture, and everything is starting to break down just a touch. And it's going to be nice and refreshing. Alright friends, well that wraps us up on how to make Pico de Gallo. Comment below and let me know how yours turns out. Make sure you check out the playlist for snacks that I placed at the beginning of the video. And make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.